Hey guys, me and Joshua are on our way to camp. It's a father and son camp hosted by his school, actually the church that's connected to his school. And it's at Wings of Eagles campground in Concord, North Carolina. So we're really excited about it. We're gonna be fishing, doing a little archery and maybe some other stuff. Josh, you excited?
Uh-huh.
What you looking forward to?
Mostly the fishing, honestly.
Fishing. Oh yeah, us being together and catching some fish, can't beat that, right? All right, well, we'll check back in with you guys in just a bit. I want to focus on the road since we are driving, but it's gonna be a blast, a great little weekend together. Talk to you guys soon. All right, guys, so we have arrived at Wings of Eagle Camp, our ranch, I should say. It was a great drive, probably about 30 minutes from our house. I never even heard of this place, but we're here now. Josh, what do you think?
It's amazing.
Amazing. So see, we're about to go and do some exploring. Heard the lake's about 0.2 miles from where we are now, so we'll go walk around a little bit. Dinner's at 7, and dinner is smoke pit barbecue. So if you know anything about North Carolina barbecue, smoke pit here in Concord, and I think there's one in Salisbury and maybe somewhere else. Anyway, it's good stuff. So we're gonna go explore. We got our tent set up pretty quickly. It's been a lot of fun already. It's being out here with my boy. See you guys in just a bit.
Want to show them the camp? And
Yeah,
tent?
in fact, let's go that way. We'll show them the camp, the tent. All right, let's go. All right, there's our guy right there, nice and cozy. Got the fishing chair out front. Josh's king chair there. Let's go inside. Perfect. This is a 4-man tent, they say, but I tell you this, you put 4 men in here, it's gonna be all bad. Here's my red sleeping bag here. There's Joshua there with the blue. This is perfect for a father and son. We got a little Bluetooth speaker back there, some water jugs, some luggage over there. We are good to go. Anyway, we're gonna go explore and we'll get back to you in just a bit.
Well, we have a rock wall and we're heading over to the lake. So far, it's been awesome.
Let me see, scoot over a little bit so we can see the rock wall. Oh, that's neat, man. Are you gonna go on it?
I don't think so.
No, why not?
I don't know. I'm really growing.
All right, well, let's go check out the lake. All right, guys, we finally found the lake. We had actually went the wrong way. The map was not to scale, so we thought we had to walk a little bit. It was actually really close, but it's beautiful. Let me see if I can show you guys really quick. So it's more like a pond, but it's gorgeous, man. Look at that. Got a little dock over there in the back. Beautiful little lake. Really excited to get out here tomorrow and see what's out there. We see a bunch of babies all over the place. So we'll see. Look at that reflection. Anyway, we're gonna sign off right now. It's almost time for dinner. Man, that barbecue is gonna be amazing.
We didn't bring worms last year, but we brought worms this year.
Smart.
Wait, what did you use? We just brought bait. Well, guys, it's been a busy afternoon, and here we are in our tent. Show them around, Dad, please.
All right, you can't really see anything because it's so dark. Yeah, they can't see. Oh, there's our fish. We have live bait inside of there. So tomorrow we can catch some bass. Got some little minnows in there. This is my spot right here. That blue thing is a pillow. This is my sleeping bag. We got a little lantern light over there. Some other stuff. Joshua is all bundled up right here. Got his gloves on, his beanie, his hat. I'm sorry, his jacket with his hoodie. He has thermal undies on. He's ready for this night. It actually feels kind of decent in here right now.
Yeah, it does.
It's about 40 degrees outside. It's supposed to drop down to about 33 tonight. So we are taking precautions. It's our first time ever sleeping outside like this in the cold, but I think it's gonna be a good night. What do you think, Josh?
Awesome.
All right, well, good night, guys. We'll see you in the morning for fishing.
See you in the morning.
All right, guys, good morning. We are here. It is early morning, about 7:30. We slept in the tent last night, and let me tell you, it was freezing. So it got down to about 33, 34, but we made it. So we pretty much the way we're dressed right now is the way we slept. bundled up in our sleeping bags. And to be honest with you, I still felt a little cold, but worked out. Morning couldn't come fast enough in one sense, but on the other hand, it came pretty quick, man. I'm tired. But hey, how you feeling, Josh?
Pretty good, actually.
Yeah, you get some good sleep last night? Also, was it cold?
Kinda.
Kinda? Okay. Well, hey, we're gonna get ready for some breakfast and some devotions, and then after that, get some lines in the water and catch some fish. It's gonna be a blast, so we'll fill you guys in just a bit. See you later. All right, guys, let me back this up. There we go. All right, guys, so Josh and I just got finished fishing. Man, we slayed them, right, Josh? Mm-hmm. How many do you think you caught, man?
Well, honestly, I only caught 2. One huge bluegill and another baby largemouth bass.
Nice. Hey, I gotta be honest, I think I caught 10 fish today. I caught so many small bass. That was super awesome. But I caught a 2.5 pound bass. That was super cool. That was the biggest one we saw caught today. And he slayed this little, it's like a multiple species lure I have. It's really slick. I just picked it up from Walmart. Start tossing that, bam, 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 start catching bass like crazy and caught that big one. So it was a great time, man. In fact, everybody on the lake were catching fish. People catching crappie, catching bass, catching bluegill. Joshua caught the biggest bluegill I've ever seen. You'll see that in this video too. I'll throw that in there. Huge, beautiful fish, man. But anyway, that's the end of our father-son camp trip. We're getting ready to head home and see what the girls are up to. We had a blast. It was freezing last night. We made it. Now, as you can see, beautiful North Carolina weather. Feels like it's about 70 degrees, 65, 70. So anyway, I'll go home and put this video together so you guys can see it. Signing off. See you next time.